going, brother?
So, where's the door
we're
lock?
looking at the, right here. The ignition switch.
Where's the door lock? Where's the door lock? On the phone, when he called me, I said, hey, is the door and ignition the same key? And he said, yeah. There's no door lock?
Should be right there.
Huh?
Should be locking right there.
No, on the outside, the door lock, the key cylinder. Is there one on the other side? Let me see. I don't feel like pulling an ignition out right now. Nope, no key cylinder. Where's on the trunk? No lock. Oh man. We're gonna have to pull out your ignition to make the key.
Because I'm pretty sure I gave my brother the fucking key.
You did?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
He's inside, but shit, he doesn't want to fucking look around for it and shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's like, oh, fuck, I gave you the fucking truck today and shit.
He did what?
He's like, I'll give you the truck today and everything and shit. Came back at the same time.
Oh, you guys went out somewhere or what happened?
Oh, he went for a bike ride.
Oh, so maybe it fell out on the bike ride?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I went to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he went on a bike ride and shit.
Yeah, normally I'll do this key off the door lock, but you don't have a door lock, so at least your covers were just not really on. Not screwed on.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.